my name is Adela Jordakova. I'm from Prague, Czech Republic, and I'm a physiotherapist working with dancers and circus artists. I came here to INAC to teach several lectures to students here and teachers as well, mainly about injury prevention, but also about some preventive measurements, what to do so you are not going to get injured, about the importance of nutrition, good sleep, and some tools for regeneration, which helps you with the longevity in your career. So thank you, INAC, very much for having me. I'm enjoying this so much, and I appreciate that you invited me to teach.